Hello students, now today I am going to explain you about how to insert a picture or a clip art in your document. So for this we have to go in MS Word, and then we have to do, we have to click on the insert tab. Click on the insert tab and see in the illustration we have a option of a clip art and pictures. So first of all we will know about what is the clip art. Clip art is actually a small picture which is already embedded in your, which comes with your Microsoft Office package. Fine. It all the clip art are what? They are the small pictures. Alright. Let's suppose you required some picture like computer and you don't have an internet connection. So how can you use? So click on the clip art and write down the computer and click on the go button. It will show you the result regarding to the computer. So you can use anyone like this. I would like to use, so see, click on that and you can use a small pictures. Fine. Now same thing is that you can choose anyone else. Fine. And if you don't like, what you will do, click on that and delete it. Now click on that and choose, press the delete button to delete it. Now the next thing is that text wrapping option for picture. What is the text wrapping? Actually the MS Word provide an option for the text wrapping and positioning to arrange the image and text in the document. Alright, to access this option, click on the drop down arrow from the position and wrap tool of on the picture tool format tab. Now first of all you have to click on this. Alright, when you click on that, one new tab will be open, that is a format tab. Now in the format tab we have a picture, in the picture tool we have a this position or wrap text. Okay, so to set the position of your picture, what you will do, just click on this and change the position. Whatever position you like, you just click on that. All right, now in the wrap text, what is this? Actually wrap text will help you to set that your picture will be up or letter, whatever you have written. Like here I have written computer, here I am going to write computer, COMPUTER. Let me make it large first. It's not working, it's not responding, just wait for a minute. Now see, now I'm going to increase the height of this. Fine. And now, so see here students, the computer is written, but it is written just after this image. So this is how you can arrange your text or picture according to your work. Now you can do many things, like you can change the position of your picture. Fine. All right, this is the one thing that I have taught. Now the next thing is, you can set the text over the picture. You can write the you can show anything over the picture also. Fine. If suppose you want to show the image over your picture, over your text, over the thing you have written, then what which option you will use? You will use this option. See, whatever you have written, it will be go beyond the text. All right, now the next option is top and bottom, means the text will written on the top or on the bottom of the image. It will not come up over the picture. Or what the next option is, behind the text, means the image will go behind the text. It will not disturb, this. See, the text is over the picture na, so this picture will not disturb the text. So you can use any one option which you required. In the front of text, means text के ऊपर. All right, or you can edit the picture also as per your requirement, that which part you want to show, which you don't like, you can use. All right, so this is for how to add, how to wrap the text, and how to positioning a picture. Now the next option is editing picture. This is your picture. If you want to edit the color of this, you want to decrease or remove some part from your picture, so what you will do, just double click on this, and again in the format tab, there we have an option in the adjust, we have option of correction and color. So you can use any one option. Like in the correction we have a different brightness and contrast level, you can change it. If you want to make your picture looks much dark, then you can use any one options which is given here. And if you want to show this light, then you can use any one option. Now the next thing is color. If you want to change the color of your picture, you can change the color of picture from here also. Like, see here, the original color is this, and here I have changed and make it into the reddish color. All right, so there are so many variant, you can use any one. All right, fine. Now this is how you can uh, do the changes. If you want to do some more changes, like if you want to crop some part of your picture, so what you will do, click on the crop, and see the six this L shape and I shape occurs on the box, on the select box. Fine, what you have to do, you just choose anyone, you just go drag your mouse over that shape, and then select it and drag it, and choose the size which you want, and then click outside, and see the picture is cut, the picture has been cropped. All right, now if you want to rotate your picture, so you can also rotate your picture from here. Click on the rotation and see the different rotation style we have. If you want to give the background, fine, then you can use it. If you want to compress your picture, compress means decrease the size of your picture, so you can use this option. If you want to change your picture and use anyone else instead of this, so you can use. All right, this option will show you your to select a picture from your computer. Fine. Now if you want to reset your picture, remove all changes, then you just click on this, all the changes will be reset. All right, fine. So this is how you can insert a clip art in your picture. If you want to insert a screenshot, so which option you will use? A screenshot means the screen you are using. If you want to paste that screen in your document, then which option you will use? So what you have to do, just click on the insert tab again, okay, and go to the screenshot option in the illustration group. Click on that and click on the screen clipping, and see it will show you the screen like this. Now it has taken, you can select a area which you want to select. Like I would like to use this one, this area. So here see, this area has been clipped and pasted on your document. You can use the same option to increase or decrease the size, to remove the unnecessary part, to remove the to change the position. Okay, all those options which I have taught you, you can use. Fine. All right, you will click on the background and see it will remove the background. Just keep changes, it will remove the background, it will show you the thing which you have selected. All right, so all these options you can use as per your requirement. Okay, I hope you understand. Please do the practical if you have a computer. Thank you.